All right, let's jump right into a really fun and kind of weird thought experiment. This one is equal parts awesome and, well, completely absurd. So I want you to really picture this. You wake up tomorrow, you swing your legs out of bed, and boom, where your feet used to be, you've now got these two gleaming, powerful, high-tech springs. So how does your life change? You're probably thinking, awesome, superpowers. But, hold on. It's not quite that simple.
Okay, so first up, let's talk about the good stuff, the really good stuff, your new superpowers.
Seriously, welcome to your new life. Your morning commute? Forget traffic, you just leap right over it. You could bound over entire skyscrapers in a single go. And sports? You wouldn't just win every race, you'd make a mockery of it. You could literally outrun a cheetah. A cheetah!
Let's just put some numbers on this, because it's wild. The very best marathon runners in the world, these peak human athletes, they top out at maybe 13 miles an hour. You, with your new spring feet, you'd be cruising at over 70 miles per hour. That's faster than the fastest animal on land. We're not just talking about an upgrade here. This is a whole new level of being.
So, being a superhero sounds pretty amazing, right? Leaping over buildings, running faster than a car. What could possibly be the catch? Well, let me introduce you to the bouncy downside. Yeah, there's just one tiny little problem. But oh boy, it's a big one. And it's going to affect, well, everything.
You see, it all comes down to basic physics, right? What do springs do? They store and release energy. They compress and they bounce back. Every single time. Which means you are now in a state of perpetual motion. You literally can never, ever stand still again.
Just let that sink in for a second. Standing still? Impossible. Think about it. Waiting in line at the grocery store? You're bouncing. Trying to watch a movie on the couch? You're bouncing. Sitting at your desk trying to work? Yep. Just gently, constantly bouncing. All those little moments of peace and quiet, they're just gone.
But you know where this dream really becomes a total nightmare? Bedtime. Just try to imagine it. Step 1, you get into bed. Step 2, you lie down. Step 3, your weight compresses the springs and boing, you're launched right back up. And you just keep doing that all night long. Maddening, right?
All right, so where does that leave us? We've got this wild trade-off, don't we? On the one hand, you have unbelievable power, but on the other, you lose something pretty fundamental to being human. So, what's the verdict? I mean, look at this. Your superhuman abilities are completely off the charts, totally maxed out. But your ability to just chill, to relax, to be still, it's literally zero. You get all the power in the world, but you lose every single ounce of calm. So it really all comes down to this, doesn't it? Superpowers versus a good night's sleep. Would you take that deal? Is being able to leap over buildings worth never being able to stand still again? Seriously, think about it. What would you choose?